Hello, this is Marina Rodriguez, and this is my presentation on instructional technologies and how they can be used to promote 21st century teaching and learning. Instructional technologies can be used in the classroom to promote 21st century teaching and learning in many ways. They can aid in promoting learning and innovation skills. The first of these is collaboration. By using technology in which students can collaborate to further deepen understanding of a topic or to finish an assignment, students learn how to collaborate with others. This also allows them to build social skills which they will need in their life and future career. Collaboration tools are numerous. Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, and Padlet are some examples. Instructional technologies can also be used to promote communication. Students can communicate on the Google Suite or on Twitter, for example, or they can make a video or a response video to someone else's work. In this case, they would be collaborating and also communicating their agreement, disagreement, or adding to a peer's thoughts. This would also be building a student's social skills. Communicating with people from other parts of the world would also open up the possibility of building their cross-cultural skills. Instructional technologies can also be used to promote critical thinking. There are many technologies, such as Socrative, quizzes, or Kahoot, that assess student understanding about a topic, and having a deeper understanding builds students' ability to think critically. Students must be able to develop decision-making skills that will one day be necessary for their future careers. Using simulation software can also aid in promoting critical thinking, since simulation software requires students to analyze data and make it meaningful. Instructional technologies can also promote creativity. There are many ways that students can create something, whether it be a video, a blog, or a song, and doing so in conjunction with a lesson will make that lesson more meaningful to them. Doing this would also foster students' initiative and self-direction as well as their creativity. This is important because students need to know that their thoughts and opinions matter and that their backgrounds do as well. If students feel valued and if they feel their creativity matters, then it is more likely they will choose to be creative or innovative in the future. By navigating technologies used in the classroom, students are familiarized with technology in general, and they are building their general technology skills. It is possible that they will be using a technology in their future careers, and being able to navigate and troubleshoot easily is a good skill to have. When they use technology in the classroom, they are required to be resourceful about finding or knowing how to find information, and when they are asked to create videos, they are also becoming versed in how to use media or media software. All of these apply to teachers as well, since when we decide to use the technology in our classrooms, we must become familiar with and implement the technology in the most effective ways possible. These are all ways in which instructional technologies can be used to promote 21st century teaching and learning.